Here's the turn.
I know. We'll even get filming.
Too late.
Anything.
It's to YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
You just put it on now, Ryan. You make me.
You got it on. You got it.
I got to Teddy's party. That
I
counts.
am really astounded by how well you knew that. That was really cancer.
What was that?
Thank you. Soldier boy.
That's great. I've already danced. I danced to MC Hammer. I danced to Teddy's party. Does not count anymore.
Nah, it does.
You bastard. Peel. No, you peer pressured me into dance to. I can't remember what the song was. You remember?
Peer pressure.
Jump around.
You were affected by that.
Ryan, did I ever tell you you're an awesome dancer? Dance this way.
Dragon Force is crap.
Ryan, dance this way. Ryan, dance this way.
I have heard Dragon Force before.
What? Teddy's party?
And
Whoa.
Yeah.
Look at the pair on that.
Just to have you, dick. You didn't know about that.
Don't rock the boat, baby. Ryan, don't you be tipping the boat over.
Show me the tiger, Ryan. Show me the tiger.
Ryan, if you dance like that, you're gonna rock the boat. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Ryan just rocked the ball, baby. Oh. Is he finished yet?
I think you've thoroughly turned the boat over, Ryan.
He's capsized.
Yeah.
It always is you that.
Bring it back now, do some MC Hammer.
Oh, good God, no. He was good at it, but that's not the point.
I can do the Charleston, but
Let's not.
Ryan, do the Charleston.
No.
Doing the V-mask.
Ryan, do the Charleston. It's a bit like that.
I did that by some crack you over Monday, you bitch. I've been able to put your face in.
Who?
Some craggy old woman who told me how to do the acca, bitch. Alright, kicking around.
Didn't you just eject that CD?
yeah, I did. Even though I said that would be the last one, right?
Right, it's the last one. It's the last one, right?
I'm not, no.
That's how you turn it off, right?
Yeah, I know, I'm saying I put the next track
Taylor,
on.
unplug it.
Paul's drunken straw.
Seriously, I don't plug it. That's the only way you're gonna get it.
That's true.
Where are you gonna go, Ryan? You gonna go home?
Yeah.
You can listen to it at home anyway, it doesn't matter.
Good.
Don't you worry, Ryan. I've recorded it all for you tomorrow.
YouTube,
If it's on YouTube, you're going to send me the link.
Yeah, when this goes on YouTube,
Oh,
I
I
have links.
Kevin, I think that was your ride. Yeah. Doors closing.
You can't take the balloon.
Can't take the balloon, leave it there. It's my 18th.
Taylor, please explain why.
So, Timmy's apparently still got blue for
Because you've had enough, Mary Mason.
Yeah, that's what he told me.
That's really creepy.
Yeah, no, it's you know, like the ring.
Is he just really creep him like with like breast sweets and keeping balloons and stuff?
What?
Who?
Oh, breast. That's right, wasn't it?
No, that's Timmy.
Oh my god.
Oh, not the breast streets. Yeah. I don't think he realised that. Until I told him after,
Yeah,
and
no,
he didn't
but
believe me.
It's still super weird.
Is it that exciting?
He's keeping like balloons and stuff.
Ryan's dead, I think.
Oh, but
Yes.
I feel terrible.
oh,
You
Please,
shouldn't
terrible some mutuals.
Right, let it go.
take your head away from the fire, then that might feel better.
This is a new dance with Kevin.
No,
the
then
Kevin
that-
with the pelvic crust.
No, that's just one of the things.
It has many.
Are you going to
of
dance to the time warp
They're
then?
gonna tie themselves together and you go.
Oi, ugly. So you're going to dance to the time warp?
Sorry?
You're going to dance to the time
I
warp?
don't have to tie my laces.
Good.
Taylor.
what? I've explained this to you,
No,
Ryan.
wait.
Black card!
Black card situation,
Kick
Black
Ryan.
card situation, Ryan.
Well, how we
So
talking
what
about
do you want us to do now for the next
White
15
card.
minutes? Just sit here.
talk?
Not
Oh, I'm
what?
going now, so.
Yeah, there is the topic of conversation, you know, right? Although you may have some trouble with your
I'll tell you what, you put music on, you talking, I'm dancing that corner.
I've Trump lol.
Ryan, you're
Oh,
you're
leave that.
reneging on your promise, Ryan. You said there'd be one more song and that was it.
No, they just said let's put up the boss on us, the whole series.
No,
See
you
you,
did
Kev.
not.
Bye.
See you, Kev. Thanks again for coming.
See you, Kevin.
Thank you.
Bye! His mum's not here.
Bye, Kevin.
She's gone, she picked up someone else.
It'd be nice.
Is he even going on?
No, he's back.
Kevin's not going on, he puts the music.
See, I knew there was a reason I was still recording.
Get up, Ryan.
But hey, Alex, you better cling on to that for dear life. That's the only way you're going to survive in this world.
Ryan,
Yes.
are you pissed?
No. Whatever, I'm.
We played Truth or Dare, right? Because you just lost.